Hello students, myself Garnath Sahu, your chemistry teacher. Due to COVID-19 and complete lockdown, we are going to start YouTube video lecture for you. Today I am going to start chemistry for class 12. We are going to start from unit 4. Unit 4 is chemical kinetics. In this chapter, we will study all these things one by one. Means this is a syllabus of this chapter. So first of all, we will study in this chapter rate of reaction, then factors on which rate of chemical reaction depends, order and molecularity of a reaction, rate law and a specific rate constant, integrated rate equation for zero order reaction and first order reaction. Then half-life for zero order reaction and first order reaction. And then we will study in this chapter concept of collision theory, activation energy and Arrhenius equations. So first of all, we know what is chemical kinetics, and then we will discuss all the things one by one. Chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of rate or velocity of chemical reaction and the factors on which they depend. It means that in chemical kinetics, we will study by which speed, by which rate chemical reactions occurs, and on the factors on which it depends. Chemical kinetics means a study of chemical reaction. Rate of reaction depends on amount of change in concentration of reactant or product in per unit time. It means concentration of reactant and product means change in concentration of reactant and product of reaction. Rate or velocity of chemical reaction. Here velocity means a speed. It is not velocity of physics. Here a speed. The rate or velocity of chemical reaction. The change in concentration of reactant or product in per unit time is known as rate or velocity of chemical reaction. So rate of chemical reactions can also be written. Rate of chemical reaction is change in concentration by time interval. From this formula, you can also define rate or velocity of chemical reaction. Change in concentration of reactant or product in per unit time is called rate of reaction. If you know this formula, then you can define rate or velocity of chemical reaction, because from this formula it is clear that change in concentration of reactant or product per unit time is called rate of reaction. Unit of rate of reaction. So we know a rate of reaction means concentration by time, and unit of concentration is mole per liter and unit of time is second. So mole per liter per second is also written as in this form, mole per liter per second, or mole liter inverse and second inverse. So rate of chemical reaction for gaseous reaction. For gaseous reactions, rate of chemical reaction is rate equal to pressure change by time interval, or unit of pressure change is ATM means atmosphere, and unit of time is second, and it is also written as atmosphere second inverse. Write down. Expression for rate of reaction. Let us consider a small time dt and change in concentration is dx. Then rate or velocity of reaction equal to dx by dt, because we consider as change in concentration is dx and a small time dt, and we know rate of reaction is change in concentration by time interval. Change in concentration is dx and time interval is dt. So rate of reaction is also written as r equal to small r equal to dx by dt, because rate of reaction is represented by a small r, so a small r equal to dx by dt. Again, let us consider if reactant A converted into B. So in this case, rate equal to rate, we know rate is represented by a small r, so rate or r equal to dx by dt from this equation, dx by dt equal to minus dA by dt. Here minus sign indicate that concentration of reactant is decreasing with time, and here positive sign is represented concentration of product with increasing according to time. When time increases, then concentration of reactant is decreasing and concentration of product is increasing. So here negative sign shows that concentration of reactant means concentration of A decreases with increase of time, and concentration of product means B, concentration of B is increases by increasing time, so plus d by dt. Now general expression for rate or velocity of chemical reactions. Let us consider the following chemical reactions: Ma plus Nb dash M dash C plus N dash C. Here A, B, C and D. Here A, B, C and D are the chemical substances having their number of mole M, N, M dash and N dash respectively. Means in general reaction M, N, M dash and N dash is the number of mole, and A, B, C and D are chemical substances. Now it will clear from examples. Thus, rate equal to R equal to dx by dt equal to, here number of mole is written in the form of denominator, and here A is reactant, so minus 1 by M dA by dt equal to minus 1 by N dV by dt, and C and D is product, so concentration of product is increasing by increasing time, so number of mole of product is written also in the denominator form, so plus 1 by M dash dC by dt equal to plus 1 by N dash CD by dt by dt. So for example, rate of reaction for this example, N2 plus 3H2 dash 2NH3. So rate equal to dx by dt equal to, here N2 is reactant and minus dN2 by dt. Here a stoichiometric coefficient of this N2 is 1, so 1 is understanding, it is not written, so we just write here written dt. And a stoichiometric coefficient of S2 is 3 and S2 is reactant, so it is written in the form of denominator minus 1 by 3 ds2 by dt equal to, and a stoichiometric coefficient of NH3 is 2, so plus 1 by 2 equal to, no, plus 1 by 2 d NH3 by dt, because NH3 is product and concentration of product is increasing with increasing time, so plus 1 by 2 d NH3 by dt. Now write for this equation S2 plus Cl2 dash 2HCl. Rate equal to dx by dt equal to minus d S2 by dt equal to minus d Cl2 by dt, because here S2 and Cl2 is reactant and we know concentration of reactant is decreasing with increasing time. And here 2HCl is product and HCl stoichiometric coefficient of HCl is 2, so here plus 2 1 by 2 d HCl by dt. So for today's class all these things are enough. So I am your Vaidnath sir. My contact number is 7004848 If you face any kinds of problem in this video, then you can call on 7004848 997. Thank you. Okay.